It's Nick. We're here with MSI at InfoComm 2026, where we showcase one of our latest monitor in our productivity lineup. Is the ProMax 271UPXW12G. It's the first monitor within our productivity monitor lineup that has a QT-OLED panel, and it's also the first product in terms of monitor that we built with macOS user in mind. So in terms of that, we built an app called MSI Image, which you can download directly from the App Store. And what the app does is it allows you to sync the color on your macOS device with the color that appear on the monitor itself. And you can also control the brightness and volume of the monitors directly on your MacBook. And it also comes with a Type-C 98-watt power delivery cable, so you can both charge and use the cable and use the monitor at the same time. And also, the other special thing about this monitor is the black chain right here. It's not a camera, so you don't have to worry about your privacy. It actually is a proximity sensor. So what it does is going to detect your visibility in front of the monitor. So when you walk away, it's going to automatically dim the monitor to prevent the pixel from being burned in. And if you still worry about it being burned in, it comes with a 3-year warranty to give you an absolute peace of mind. So for more information about this product, you can find it at us@msi.com.